Hello students, welcome to English class. I hope you are doing well. Students, in the last video I have explained you the concepts regarding sentence, and in this video, in this session, I'll be explaining you the exercises. So we'll move to the exercises now. We have the first question. Take the sentences and cross those which are not sentences. So I have already explained you that what do you mean by a sentence, and when a sentence can be called as a complete sentence or when a sentence is incomplete. So in this question you have to take the ones that are forming proper sentences, and you have to put a cross if they are not forming a proper sentence. We'll start with the first one. Dev is. Dev is a proper sentence or not? Dev is not a proper sentence because it is not telling us exactly about Dev. Dev is. It is not telling what Dev is doing or what he is wanting to say. So this is not a proper sentence. So we'll just put a cross. Next, respect your elders. Is this a proper sentence? Is it giving any meaning? Yes, it is giving a meaning that one should respect our elders. So this is a proper sentence. Next, I am proud of you. This is again giving a proper meaning. I am proud of you, and all the words are in sequence. So this is also a sentence. Next, Iti is an overconfident girl. The sentence is telling about Iti, who is an overconfident girl. So this sentence is also giving proper meaning. So this will also be a proper sentence. Next, question number 5. How are? Can you tell me that what that sentence is trying to say? Can you identify? No, you cannot, because it is not proper, means it is incomplete. Some words are missing. So it is not a proper sentence. We'll put a cross. Next, how are you? It is framing a sentence. If someone asks you how are you, what is the meaning? Aap kaise ho? So it is giving a meaning. This is a proper sentence. Next, at night. What at night? Nothing. Nothing is mentioned. So again, this is not a proper sentence. Next, wow, it is so yummy. Yes, it is giving a meaning. So this will be a proper sentence. Next, do you help others? Is this a sentence? Yes, this is a sentence. Even though it is a question, it is a proper sentence. It is giving us meaning. It is conveying a meaning. So this is a sentence. Next, I elders my obey. I elders my obey. What kind of sentence is this? I obey my elders. That is a proper sentence. But I elders my obey is not a proper sentence. Means words are not arranged systematically. So if words are not arranged systematically and it is not giving a proper meaning, that means it is not a sentence. So we'll give a cross. So I hope question number 1 is clear to everybody. Now we'll move to question number 2. Question number 2 says, match these groups of words to make sentences. Now what you have to do, you have to match these groups of words to make proper sentences. Let's start with the first one. Mahima is. Now you will match Mahima is, that is one with which one? A, B, C, D, E, F. Heavily in monsoon? No. Mahima is in class 5 next year? No. Next year it is talking about. Then Mahima is ready for test? No. Mahima is obey the traffic rules? Again, no. Mahima is a badminton player? Yeah, this is suitable. So one will come here. Mahima is a badminton player. Next, chimpanzees are. See F, very clever animals. Chimpanzees are very clever animals. Next, third, it rains heavily in monsoon. Yeah, this is suitable. So third one will match with A. Fourth, you must what? In class 5 next year? No, ready for test? Obey the traffic rules. Yeah, this is, you must obey the traffic rules. Fifth, we shall be in class 5 next year. Yeah, this is appropriate. And the last one, are you ready for test? So I hope question number 2 is clear to everybody. Now we'll be moving to question number 3. Use these groups of words and make sentences. So, children, what do you have to do here? There are 8 groups of words given. You have to use these words in order to frame sentences. You can frame any sentence, whatever you feel like, whatever you wish. आप कोई भी सेंटेंस फ्रेम कर सकते हो अपने मन से ये वर्ड्स को यूज करते हुए. So this you may do by your own. You can frame any sentence, but these words should come in those sentences. Okay. Now let's move to question number 4. Question number 4 says, rearrange these groups of words to make sentences. Start with the underlined words. So what do you have to do? There are 10 group of words given, but they are not arranged in proper order. वो properly arrange नहीं किया हुआ. It is like a puzzle. आपको properly sentence को arrange करना है so that it gives a proper sense. And one hint is there that you have to start with the underlined words. See, one word in each sentence is underlined, so you have to start the sentence using that underlined word. This is the hint. So let's start with the first one. Like ice, I, butterscotch, cream. So I is underlined, so we have to start with I. So I, what will be the next one? I like butterscotch ice cream. What happened? I like butterscotch ice cream. Next, is expensive gold and metal. So we have to start the sentence with gold, since gold is underlined. So gold, first I'll just give numbering, but you don't have to give numbering, you have to write proper sentences. Gold is an expensive metal. Gold is an expensive metal, and then give a full stop also. Next, question number 3. Famous for is natural beauty, it's Kashmir. So we'll start with Kashmir. So Kashmir is famous for its natural beauty, and then give a full stop. Question number 4. For guests cooked the mother dinner. So mother cooked dinner for the guests. Mother cooked dinner for the guests. Question number 5. India, which national of is flower the? So which is the national flower of India? And then you will give a question mark, since this is a question is being asked, it is an interrogative sentence, so you'll give a question mark. Next, question number 6. Is long the river Amazon? So the Amazon is the name of the river. The Amazon is a long, one second, sorry. The Amazon is a long river. Full stop. Next, question number 7. Dictionary is not it my. So it will come first. It is not my dictionary. Children, please do not give numbers in your book. You have to write the complete sentence. Next, question number 8. Speaks fluently Sumit English. So we will start with Sumit. Sumit speaks English fluently. And a full stop. Question number 9. First IPS was woman, the Kiran Bedi officer. So Kiran Bedi was the first IPS, first woman IPS woman officer. Kiran Bedi was the first. Wait, one second. Kiran Bedi was the first woman IPS officer. Yeah, this will be correct. Kiran Bedi was the first woman IPS officer. Next, last one. Promise his, keep always he. So he always keeps his promise. So this way, all the words can be arranged in sequence, in order, so that it gives a proper meaning. So I hope question number 4 is clear to everybody, and this way I've explained all the exercises. So study properly, make sure that you write neatly in your book, and thank you so much. We'll meet in the next class.